It's the end of a long, exhausting day. You finally have a quiet moment to yourself. You stand in front of the bathroom mirror, and you notice your skin looks different. Maybe it's a bit duller than yesterday, or slightly flushed. Our usual instinct is to reach for the strongest products we have. We scrub, we peel, and we layer harsh chemicals, treating our faces like a broken machine that needs to be fixed. These changes reflect your environment, the temperature drops, the urban stressors, and the fatigue of your daily routine. Your skin wears your life like a mirror, shifting its expression with the daily weather. This is where the Agafar Pro Ampoules custom wardrobe comes in. It's a system of 4 specialized formulas designed to adapt to these shifting conditions with a low-irritation approach. Choosing a routine that dresses your skin for its specific daily weather prevents barrier overload. It provides the foundation for health by giving the skin exactly what it needs. Let's look at the stormy days. Harsh winds, urban pollution, or a spike in stress can leave your skin flushed and heated, signs that the protective barrier is struggling to keep up with the elements. When the skin is this sensitive, heavy nutrients will only cause more irritation. You need the Vita K Pro Ampoule. It prioritizes pure comfort to stabilize the skin's condition. This animated diagram shows the clinical logic of the formula's green and blue synergy. Menadione, or vitamin K, acts as the primary stabilizer for the cells, while Guaiazulene introduces a cooling layer that reduces heat and neutralizes redness. Applying rapid, peaceful stabilization rather than forced nutrition allows a compromised barrier to find its balance again. Then there are the overcast days. You might wake up after a full 8 hours of sleep only to find a dull, shadowy, and uneven complexion looking back at you in the mirror. While our instinct is to cover that dullness with foundation, the skin actually craves internal clarity. The Mela Pro Ampoule is designed to restore that clarity from within. In this epidermal model, 1.5% niacinamide and a multivitamin complex gently dissolve irregular pigment to restore even tone. It pairs this with an 8-layer hyaluronic acid shield, driving moisture into multiple tissue levels to create a plump, upward-pushing barrier. True radiance is achieved only by hydrating these deeper layers, shifting the skin from a state that needs coverage to one that is naturally luminous. Some mornings bring bounceless days. Your skin feels loose, physically tired, and those morning pillow marks linger on your cheeks for hours after you wake up. When the foundational structure of the skin begins to sag, the double Pro Ampoule provides the necessary architectural reinforcement. In this diagram of the collagen matrix, an 8-peptide powerhouse featuring acetyl hexapeptide 8 targets weak links deep within the dermis, pulling the structure taut. Once lifted, ceramide NP creates a barrier shield over the new structure, locking in progress and preventing moisture loss. Restoring youthful elasticity works by fundamentally reinforcing the cellular scaffolding from the bottom up, rather than just pulling the surface tight. Finally, we face the completely drained days. You might not have any visible breakouts, but your skin feels utterly hollow and dry. Its basic stamina has hit rock bottom. For moments of total depletion, the pdrn-ha Pro Ampoule is designed to restore that lost stamina from the ground up. This visual details the clinical logic of the recovery process. Sodium DNA, or PDRN, pairs with beta-glucan to densely fill in the gaps of a collapsed skin condition, expanding depleted cells back to their full, healthy shape. By replenishing your skin's density at a biocompatible DNA level, you allow the skin to return to its baseline. It functions like a deep, uninterrupted night of sleep directly for your face. The Agafar way treats skin nourishment as a structured daily program. It responds to the environment rather than looking for a harsh shortcut. You use Vita K Pro for stabilization, Mela Pro to uncover radiance, Double Pro for structural elasticity, and pdrn-ha Pro for a density reset. So tonight, when you stand in front of your mirror, take a quiet moment. Assess the weather of your skin today. Choosing the right ampoule for that condition is your way of saying a comforting good night to the barrier that worked to protect you all day. Listening to your skin's daily signals and responding with targeted, gentle empathy allows you to maintain a clinical standard of care through your everyday routine.
Calm Skin. Quiet Glow by Agafar.